waiting for a new clutch system to come now, and I'll be able to put this gearbox back in. I got all the kit going, coming as new arm and new thrust bearing. I've changed that core plug there. It was leaking, and the only way to do it was to take the head off, and I never did. I used to keep putting sealer in it, so I put a new core plug in, and I painted these other two up just to stop them going rusty, really, as I did that one. That'll keep I know it'll rust from inside, but you don't want it rusting from inside and outside. When they meet, there's trouble. So there we are, that's that. I've got the P gasket off. It's one of the metal ones, but it's still leaking. I could see it didn't leak a lot, but it did leak. So that's the P gasket getting done. And then I'm in on putting a new belt on, a new top cam belt. Not a whole lot wrong with that one, really, I don't think, if it focuses. I think I've seen worse, I think. But I have a new kit, so I might as well put it on. Just going to set it up, time it up so that I have the pins, flywheel pin and a pin for the fuel pump somewhere, and I'll pop them in, and it should be straightforward. I noticed there, if you look down there, there's a lever for the exhaust. Forget what you call it now, the sort of bypass, and I don't know, I've got a feeling that might be seized. Maybe it'll free itself when it gets warm, I don't know. I might have to look at that. It's the overpressure valve, I suppose you'd call it, for the turbo. But anyway, that's where we are now. So just waiting for bits to come now. I can't do a lot to the clutch until I get the bits in the post. I'm hoping they'll come next week. Left all the bolts in because they're slightly different lengths, and that's the part for the P gasket there. Left the water pump on, and here we are. Right, there's the timing pin in the flywheel. Nice easy way of doing it. See, it's locked in. The pin there for the pump, and these are loose. And then we have timing mark from there across to there for the camshaft, and that's facing up. So now we're ready to replace it. That's it, all back together. Load of bits left over. That's what we have left, the bits that I used. I put new tensioner, and you get a new pulley as well, bottom pulley. I changed the P gasket as well. That's the tool for locking the flywheel, and that's the tool for locking the pump. So I've got the belt. The belt really would have lasted another 100 years probably. It's in brilliant nick, really. That didn't need changing, I'll be honest. But I'd always be wondering if I didn't change it. So that should be the last time it gets changed for a long time. I've put the old tensioner on. I've got another one of these. I've got a new one of these that I'm going to put on, but I didn't want to put it on yet because it's out in the rain still. I've got a new belt as well to put on, and that's it really. That's the cam belt done, and the P gasket done. Just waiting for the clutch to come now, and I'll do that next, and then I can put this thing back into the chassis and see. Bit of Hylamar, or not Hylamar, actually it's RTV or whatever you call it, silicone around that before I put it back in as well. So hopefully no leaks. So that's where we are. A lot of tools to drag in into the garage. I'm not going to put my weight tonight, that's enough for one day. That's it.